So it's a bitterly cold day here in New England. I just got home from work and I'm slabbing up a log in my backyard using my little electric chainsaw mill, which is good because it's nice and quiet. But I was given a couple of logs from a mate of mine that I didn't think would be all that interesting to slab. But I slabbed that log a couple of days ago and I was surprised at how much colour was inside it. So I'll take a slab off this one and give you a look. So I'm pretty sure the log is a Chinese poplar, but I'll make sure and put the name of the tree in the description. And it's amazingly colourful on the inside. It's got greys and browns, oranges and yellows. It's got some interesting figure to go along with that. And poplar isn't a timber that I thought would be as pretty as this, and definitely not a timber that I would have sought after. But after slabbing up these couple of logs, I'll definitely try and get some more poplar. So after I've slabbed up these two little ones, I got a bigger one over here, and I also have another bigger log at my mate's place to pick up. So if you come across some poplar, don't dismiss it, because it can be quite pretty wood. And one of the best things about it is that it's quite easy and quite quick to chainsaw mill. So thanks for watching, and I hope you, like I, learned something.